Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will implement pagination in our MERN app. So I have this simple MERN app. This is a to-do list MERN app. It has some functionalities like authentication, basic filtration, etc. But it has one major missing, that is pagination, server-side pagination. So I have already video of this app in my channel, you can check that, but this video is only related to pagination. So what is currently happening is, uh, as soon as I reload the page, our this task API has called and it is returning us these records. So but I don't want my API to be bombarded with this list of records with only one API call. So the solution of this is server-side pagination. So if I come to my code here, so basically currently what this is doing is, this is some applying some date filters, etc. So but what I first want to do is, I want to find the total number of records. So for this, Mongoose provides this method like let total task is equal to, it will return us a promise, so it will be await, and await this task dot uh, estimate documents count. So it will return us a total number of records. So coming back here with total tasks, I will return is its count. So let me save it and coming back here, and let me reload it, and if I check here, now this time it also tells us the total number of records, which is 23. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, in my React app here, I will create the new component here of pagination. So it's pagination.js, and coming back here. Okay, so now here I will import few things from material UI. First one will be box and second one will be button from @MUI/material. Okay, so this component takes four things. So the first one will be total records. The second one will be record per page. Third one will be current page, and fourth one will be set current page. Okay, so here in home.js I will rendering all these things here. My this all number of task mapping here. So after below this, I will simply call this component. Sorry, let me check what it is, paginations. Okay, let's leave the naming for now, and here we need to do few things. Currently what is happening here, it is simply calling that API and dispatching this set task from Redux by passing this task from the response. So what I am going to do is, I am going to call here total records, and by default these records will be 0. So I will use the new state here, total records set to total records, and by default our record will be 0, and I will also define the current page here. So current page, set current page, and by default my current page will be 1. Okay, So now I need to pass both these things to my this pagination component, and here I will also pass my current page to as a query in my API. So I will simply call it page is equal to current page, and by default this one will be passed. Okay, now in my paginations component, sorry, my naming convention is wrong here, but let's be that. So it expects four component. First component is total records. So coming back to home.js, and as soon as my API is finished, what I'm going to do is I am going to set total records to response.data.count. okay, so it is coming from don't know from where it is coming from here, these count. Okay, so let's save this, and now to my pagination component I will pass all these things to here. The first one will be total records, it will be this total records. The second is record per page. I will set it to 5 for now, and current page will be our current page, and set current page will be useState function. Simply pass it as set current page. Okay, so let me save it and see what is happening here. So this is my pagination component as of now. So coming back to this pagination component, I will wrap everything with this material UI box. It will be flex, justify, content will be center, and the gap between our pagination buttons will be 10px. Okay, so after that I will also give some margin here. I will top will be 40px. Okay, so after that what I'm going to do is I am mapping with these total records. Okay, so for example, if my total records are 30 and record per page is 5, so by default it will max 30 divided by 5 6 times. Okay, so I will simply create the new array here, new array, and its size will be total records divided by records per page, but it will give us error when when this result will be in some float like 2.6 3.7. so I will also call here math.c, so it will round simply round our length. So here I will pass the index here, and here I will simply call this material UI button. Its key will be index, and here I will print index +1. Let's save it and let's see what we are getting. Okay, so these are the 7 buttons currently printing, because we have 33 records. So 33 divided by 5 into I think 6.6. so after a round of 6.6 we get 7. Okay, so now for the current record, for example, if our this current index equal our this current page, then its content property will be variant, otherwise it will be null. So it should highlight the current page. So I think it should not be contained, the variant should be here and it should be contained. Okay, yeah, so After that, I what I am going to do is, as soon as our page is changed, I will call the API again and again. So coming back here, I will define on click is equal to return us the callback method, and here I will simply call this change page method and index plus 1. I will pass this here. Here I will define this method const change page, it will return the page param here, and I will simply call this set current page to this page. Okay, now as soon as we click this, our page will be changed to that page. And coming back to first, let me come to our home.js, and here as soon as our this page is changed, what I want to do is I want to call this API again. So let me save this, and after coming back to my where is that file, this one, and what I'm going to do is I will only return that number of records after that page. So first I'm going to do is I'm going to call this page here, and I will parse this request dot query dot page. We are passing this from this page. So after getting this, we will also define page limit. So it is fine, is it's currently set to 5. We can also set this page limit from front end. You can also do that, but let's keep it for now to 5. And here what I'm going to do is coming back to here, our current page is for example 1. So coming back to here, and after defining this 5, I will call this skip method. What this will do is this will skip some methods, some records in the beginning. So here for example is if our current page is 1, so I don't want to skip any records, but if our current page is 2, then I want to skip these number of records. So here what I'm going to do is I will simply multiply this page to page limit and minus page limit. So after that, I will, after skipping some records, I also need to limit some records. So I will call this limit method, and here I will simply define this page limit here. Now let's save this, and coming back to here and reload this. So as you can see, it's only return us the 5 record in the beginning, and when I try to change my pagination from here, and if I check this here again, so as you can see, this time our page is coming to, and it's return us the next 5 records and next 5 records, and in the final we will only see 1 record. So yeah, so thank you very much guys, that's it for this video. See you in the next video.